How to get free shipping on Temu. Let's get started. As of 2025, Temu has adjusted its shipping policies in response to evolving trade regulations and logistical considerations. Temu continues to offer free standard shipping on most orders, with delivery times typically ranging from 5 to 25 days. For orders exceeding $129, Temu provides free express shipping, which can significantly reduce delivery times. In order to get free shipping, ensure your order meets the minimum amount required for free shipping. For express shipping, this is typically $129. Temu frequently offers promotional codes that can provide discounts or free shipping. For instance, codes like ACW289470 has been known to unlock various benefits, including free shipping. Temu occasionally runs promotions offering free shipping on all orders, regardless of the amount. Keeping an eye on such deals can help you save on shipping costs. By staying informed about Temu's shipping policies and utilizing available promotions, you can effectively manage and potentially eliminate shipping costs on your orders. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.